2 cm medial and 2 cm above. I'm just giving the local for skin puncture. Skin puncture with 18 gauge needle, hypodermic needle, and I'm going to use this block needle for the giving the bleed to pop up. First will be the external oblique, second will be the internal. So with first pop up I got around 2 cm. There is no any negative aspiration of blood. I'm injecting. बाबा काय त्रास आहे तुम्हाला? हलू नका श्वास लांब घेऊ नका. I injected the 2 ml session at the first pop up in the midline. Yes, I'm going for a second pop up. 1 cm inside. I got the second pop up. Yes, I got the second pop up. I give further, in aspiration. I'm giving this. So I injected 2 plus 2 ml at the midline, and I will repeat the procedure 45-degree medially, and then 45-degree angle to the laterally. Yes, first pop up I got laterally. Here I am inject 2 ml of local anesthetics, 0.5% NIV. Yes, now I will go beyond the first pop up. Yes, I got the second pop up. There is no any aspiration, and I inject remaining 2 ml at the 45 angle laterally. Same procedure, 45 angle medially. So I will go medially 45 degree. I got the first pop up. Here I inject the 2 ml. No aspiration. I'm smoothly injecting to the 22 gauge, 1 cm. Yes, I got the second pop up at 1.5 cm almost. With negative aspiration, I'm injecting the remaining solution. So I injected 2 ml at each pop up. So 2 plus 2, 4 ml at the central, then same 4 ml at the 45 degree angle laterally, and then 4 ml at the 45 degree medially. Total volume used is anavin 0.5%, 12 ml. Pain नहीं देखो ना कहाँ पेन है? कुछ भी पेन नहीं. There is no pain at the level of pubic tubercle where I am giving the supply करना. Okay, 2 ml.